my god, it looks like newborn defecation. Hello, good morning friends. I'm Kayla Black, and if you are new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, like kisses to you, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate the support and everything. Like, I'm so grateful for like everything. Anyways, quick and fast into this video. Like my hat. Woof. Alright, so now they say I'll fix up myself. I'm gonna come back ready like Freddy. So yeah, I'm gonna chop up the things them and show you what I'm gonna put on my face today. All right, so let's get into it. Fresh and ready face. So first things first, I'm gonna take the pumpkin. Lord, mess up. I'm gonna take the pumpkin and splatter it all over my face. Oh my god, it looks like newborn defecation. Okay, I'm a trooper. I'm gonna do this. Oh my god. I'm gonna put the timer. Actually 10 minutes, that's fine. And I'll see you in 10 minutes. So it has been 10 minutes and this is how my face look with it on. And I'm gonna go wash it off. That is not English. I'm gonna wash it off and then give you a before and after. You know what I'm saying? You can see the difference. I mean, it looked like I have some difference. Literally something weird that happened, that I was not expecting. So this pumpkin mask, whatever, it literally made my face cleaner, meaning it cleanses off my face like a cleanser, like from dirt, like it makes you feel more clean, and I never expect that at all. So I guess I found that out, like pumpkin cleans the face. Alright, so it has been some time until it's probably about an hour or so. So I'm gonna put on the oatmeal on my face now with the egg white. Yeah, this one is not gonna be as messy because I made sure to make it thick. because the last one was a fail. So it did clean my skin though. So that one, I'm putting it on, laying it on fake. This one feels very calming, I'm not gonna lie. It feels like soothing and calming. So probably if you have like irritated skin, you can put this one on because it feels very calming. I look ridiculous. It's all over my lips. Okay. Alright, so this mask feels very like calming, like relaxing, like I can feel it like going down into my skin. So I would probably recommend this one if you have like irritated skin, like not congested but like irritation going on, and you want to calm it down and feel a bit more relaxed. This one definitely, I think it will definitely calm your skin down and make it feel a bit more calm and like soothed and like, you know, relaxed, and you know, you get what I mean. So probably if you have like eczema and them something there and it a act up, and you know, like you can probably put this on and it will soothe it and all of that. So yeah, this is my reaction. Lord, this dog is all up on the bitches, so my gosh. So like this is my initial reaction from putting it on my face. Like I can feel that it's calming it down. So yeah, and you know, I have to set my neck timer. So the time I'm gonna use now is 10 minutes again. So tick tock, tick tock. Alright, so the last and final one is the banana and honey. Alright, so I already feel tired on my skin, honestly. Set my timer, 10 minutes, and I'll see you afterwards. I am back, and I must say I really like this mask. I really love the banana and honey one. I like it creme de la creme. I really see the most difference. My skin feels very hydrated, like something going feet. You get what I say? Like it really feels different. So if you're on a tight budget and you wanna have a little face mask for cheap, banana and honey like is the winner. Like it's the winner. So like yeah, this is the mask that I would recommend for the food mask at home DIY type of mask. It actually did work. The first one kind of just cleansed my face. The second one calmed my skin, and the third one chef's kiss. Yeah, so that's my honest opinion of these masks that I tried today, trying to wear in foods. So yeah, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, just give it a thumbs down, I guess. Like, subscribe, like watch my video them first. If you don't like me, just don't subscribe, but just watch me first a little bit, and then you can see like, oh, I like that girl, I don't like that girl. If you like me, just give me a little support and subscribe to my channel and comment down below and tell me what else you want to see me try. If there's a skincare tool, a product, or whatever you want me to review or whatever, I will try it for y'all. So, and I will see you